Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2018 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 2,948 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, keyless ignition, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a fuel cap. A stylish factory trike with a hot rod attitude, the Freewheeler offers additional stability without sacrificing performance. Powered by a 107 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 89 horsepower and 110 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a 27.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.